an awful day.
What an awful day.
When the judgment comes.
When the judgment comes.
And the sinners hear.
And the sinners hear
their eternal doom.
Their eternal doom.
At the sad decree.
At the sad decree.
They'll depart for
They'll depart for
into endless woe.
Into endless woe.
And gloom,
endless woe and gloom.
I'm paying now, the penalty, that the unredeemed must ever pay. Though for help I cry, it is all in vain. For alas I'm doomed. If I could recall, all the years now gone, for my Savior's cause, I would spend each one, but they never again can to me return, and the task is left undone. It's left undone. I'm paying now, the penalty, that the unredeemed must ever pay. Though for help I cry, it is all in vain. For alas I'm doomed. Oh, I realize, but alas too late. What a dark mistake. All my life has been. I refused His love with the various heart, and I must pay the price of sin, the price of sin. I'm paying now, the penalty, that the unredeemed must ever pay. Though for help I cry, it is all in vain. For alas I'm doomed.